Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make propolis honey. We will explore the fascinating world of propolis, a natural bee product known for its remarkable properties. You will discover the simple steps to create your own propolis-infused honey at home. This guide will cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the final storage, ensuring you can easily prepare this beneficial mixture. Get ready to enhance your wellness with this natural remedy, a truly wonderful addition. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need approximately 100 grams of pure, raw propolis, ensuring it is free from impurities. Next, select about 500 grams of high-quality, raw honey. Its natural enzymes are crucial. A clean glass jar, preferably with a capacity of 500 milliliters, will serve as your mixing and storage vessel. Finally, a double boiler or a slow cooker is ideal for gently warming the honey. Now let's move to the preparation. First, gently warm your 500 grams of honey in a double boiler, ensuring it becomes liquid but not hot, ideally around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. While the honey warms, finely grind or chop your 100 grams of propolis into small, consistent pieces. Once the honey is fluid, carefully add the propolis. Stir the mixture continuously for at least 5 minutes, ensuring the propolis is well distributed throughout the honey. After mixing, the infusion process begins. Let your propolis honey mixture sit for a minimum of 2 weeks, allowing the beneficial compounds to fully integrate. Store the jar in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its potency. If you prefer a smoother consistency, you can strain the honey through a fine mesh sieve after the infusion period. Enjoy 1 to 2 teaspoons daily for general wellness, a truly natural boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.